Yeah, we are still on coordinate geometry, and we want to look at the equation of a line, equation of a straight line. And we have these following questions to back it up, to buttress, okay, equation of a line. So find the equation of the following line that pass through the following pairs of points. And these are the points we have here. So without wasting time, equation of a line, um, equation of a line with a gradient with a slope m that pass through the point s comma y has this formula. That's what y minus y1 equal to m to bracket x minus x1. So where m is the slope or the gradient, and then the x1 comma y1 are the what? Are the coordinate points. Are the points the line pass through. At the coordinate points, the line at the coordinate points, which is the line, which is the point the line passed through. Yeah, the coordinates, which is the line passed through. Okay, so that's that on equation of a straight line. Okay, you can also use this one also for equation of a straight line. You can use this one. You can use this one. This. Okay. For my focus, I'll be using this one. Okay. So look at what we have here. Find the equation of a line that passes through the following pairs of points. We have point A, question 1. A is 3,5 and point B is 3,2. So if you want to calculate the equation of a line, step 1, find what? Find the gradient. Find the gradient or the slope. Find the gradient or the slope. Find the gradient or slope. Okay? And the gradient has a formula. The gradient has a formula which is changing y by changing x. That's the formula. So what's my y2? My y2, this is my y2. That's 2. This is my y1. This is 5 all over. x2, this is my x2. That's what? That's 3. And this is my x1. That's a minus 3. And that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 5, that's minus 3 all over. Minus minus, that's a plus. That's 6. And that's what? Minus half. So that's the slope or the gradient. Then the equation of a straight line, equation of a line, equation of a line, which is the equation of a straight line, is equal to. Then you now decide which one will be my which coordinates will be my x1, y1. So you can use any of these coordinates, any of these points for s comma 1, y comma 1. Okay, you can use this one, you can use this one. Choice is yours. Okay, the choice is yours. So I'm going to take the first one. I'm going to take the points minus 3, comma 5. So in that case now, this is my y1. So that will be equal to y minus, this is my y1, that's y1, and this is my what? This one is my x1, okay? This one is x1. Y minus 5 equal to, the slope is what? Minus half into brackets. Don't forget the formula we are using there. I'm using this formula. Okay? Minus half. Okay, that's the gradient of the slope. Then minus x minus half into bracket x minus 3. And that will be equal to what? y minus 5 into bracket minus half into bracket x plus 3. So let's do the algebra. Let's deal with the fraction there. That will be, we have this y minus 5 minus half into bracket x plus 3. Okay, let's do the algebra. This is a fraction, so this place times 2, this place times 2, so that this fraction will cancel. So that will be 2 into bracket y minus 5, and then minus 1 to bracket what? X plus 3. Okay, then 2 times this, that's 2y. 2 times minus 5, that's minus 10. Minus 1 times x, minus x. Minus 1 times x, minus x. Minus 1 times 3, minus 3. Then 2y equal to what? Minus x, minus 3. This one move to the other side, plus 10. So we now have, can you make y the subject? So we have minus x, minus 3 plus 10, that's plus 7, all over what? All over 2. Okay, so that's the answer. So we can write it this way, half into bracket minus x plus 7. So that one is done for the equation of the line. Okay, so that's that on that question. Question 2. We have the coordinates points minus 5, minus 6. So step 1, get the slope, get the gradient, which is m equal to what? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and then that will be equal to what? This is the first coordinate, the first one, point A. You get your what? This is x1. This one is what? y1. This one is what? x2. This one is what? y2. Okay, when you are talking of coordinates, it must be x comma y. Okay, so my y2 is what? Is a minus 2 minus 6 all over x2 minus 1 minus 5. That will be equal to what? Minus 2. Minus times minus, that's plus 6 all over minus 1. Minus times minus, that's plus 5. That's equal to what? 4. Minus 2 plus 6, that's 4. Minus 1 plus 5, that's 4 also. So we have what? 1 as the gradients for that question. Then after that, pick any of the points for your coordinates for your x1, y1. Choose any one there. So I'm using okay, let me try B also this time around. Minus 1, minus 2. You can use any one of them. So equation of a line, equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to slope m to bracket x minus x1. So just substitute there. So if you're using this one, that means your y1 is minus 2 and your slope is 1. Your m is 1 into bracket x minus 1. Okay, then open the bracket. So that will be equal to minus minus, that's y plus 2 equal to x plus 1. So y is equal to what? Move these two to the other side. So that will be x plus 1 minus 2. And that is equal to what? X minus 1. So that finished, that's question 2. Then we go to question 3. We have the coordinates 8, 2, and then minus 2, minus 4. Okay? So step 1, let's get the slope or the gradient, which is changing y changing x. Okay, and that will be equal to my y2 is what? Minus 4 minus my y1 is 2 all over x2 minus 2 minus what? Minus 8. So for the numerator, that will be minus 6 over minus 10. Minus 6 over minus 10. And that will give me 3 over 5. Okay? So you can use any of the, for x comma y, you can use, x1 comma y1. You can use any of the coordinates The choice is yours. So I'm picking the first one, 8, 2. So equation of a line is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. So let's substitute. So that will be equal to y minus, my y1 is 2, my m is what? 3 over 5 into bracket. My x is what? My x is 8, that's x minus 8. Okay, that's mine. So let's do the expansion. This fraction, find a way to remove the fraction. So times 5 for the right hand side, times 5 for the left hand side. So that'll be 5 into bracket, 5 minus 2. That'll be 5 into bracket. So that'll be 5 into bracket, y minus 2 into bracket, 3 into bracket, x minus 8. So 5 times y, that's 5y. 5 times 2, that's minus 10. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 8, minus 24. So that's that. We can just move this 10 to the other side. And that will give us 5y. That will be equal to 5y equal to 3x minus 24. Then move that minus 10 to that side, plus 10. That's equal to what? 3x minus 14 equal to 5y. So y is equal to what? 1 over 5 into bracket 3x minus 14. So that finished that question. That finished that question. So that's that on the equation of a straight line. Okay. I want to say at this point, if you are new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe, why not do it right now? Do it now. It doesn't take you time. Click on the subscription, click on like button, and click on notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay? And then please make constructive comments. And finally, bring traffic to this channel. Invite your friends, invite your family members to do likewise. Okay? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the channel.